What's going on, guys? Josh with Mountain Men Outdoors. So got some big announcements and stuff to make here. First of all, I apologize. It's been a couple weeks since I've had the opportunity to make a video, and for one reason, it's dog days of summer and the fish bite has been super slow. It's been tough to get on any fish of any quality. And then second of all, I've been super busy with work, and for those of you that know me know what I'm talking about. But anyway, for those of you that don't know me, I'm a lineman for the paddle company. And so the past 4 years, I've been in a apprenticeship program through the company that I work with. And I've been having to go to a line school for 2 weeks every 6 months. And the whole time, I told myself, you know, once I finally got through with all the schooling and I made journeyman, that I was going to make me a big purchase. So, with that being said, the middle of July, I finished all my line school and I made journeyman. So, let me show you what my purchase was. All right, guys, there it is. I bought me a Lowe Roughneck 2070. There's my little boat. There it is, guys. I'm super excited. I've got a Lowrance 12 up here on the console, and then I got a 9 here, and I've still got a lot of learning to do on figuring these things out. I'm super excited to go to some of my striper fishing spots and try to get on some of these striper. It's got a 150 Mercury. Anyway, guys, so y'all definitely stay tuned. We're going to do some fishing. I took this thing out on a little bit of a maiden voyage, and I didn't do much video because that was kind of special just for me and my family, and we didn't really want to make that public. So anyway, got a lot of just getting used to different things, but be expecting some good videos coming up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Trip out on the new boat. Who put the first fish in the boat? I'm gonna call a 14.5-inch smallmouth.